Hello, my name is Mr. Robbins, and I get to be your physics teacher this year. I'm really excited, and I can understand where you might be worried about where to go on the first day. So I'm making you a quick little intro video of how to find the resources for this class. So hopefully this helps, and we have a great year. So the easiest one, open up a web browser, and we want to go to the website, which would be ahsconceptualphysics.weebly.com. Okay, now in the email I send you this, there'll be a link for this, so you can just click that also. But I would suggest that you put this into your bookmarks. Okay, now here's your page. A couple things on the page you'll see right away. Daily attendance. Daily attendance, this is my backup. So I'm going to try to keep attendance as we log into Zoom and we talk and we socialize. But this is a good place where you could quickly do a Google form and have a backup like, look, I was here, just in case things get a little busier. Now, other things that we'll find, we're going to be using an online platform made from New Zealand called Style. Over here then is the link to that. We will talk about how to sign up for it. We'll do that on the first day. If you want to get ahead, there are the codes below which allow you to sign up. There is our course syllabus, support scheduling, and the weekly schedule. These are your four main pieces of contact information that you need to get to right away. So the course syllabus obviously gives you an overview of the class. The support scheduling. Support is not going to be an open Zoom, just come in when you want. We're asking to schedule it this year. So this sends you to a scheduling app that helps schedule that appointment time with me. And then the weekly schedule shows you what we're doing for that week and upcoming week. So let's look at these things. Let's look at weekly schedule first. So you click that, it's just going to be basically a Google Doc where it breaks things out by week. And so you know what's coming. I've only put the first unit in right now because I really don't know how the pacing online is going to work, and we're going to figure it out together. Okay, so please realize that this is a work in progress, and we will see how we do. I am asking you to finish work almost for everything. Work will be due on the Friday of that week. So that's how we're going to factor in and gauge our time. But so we have a weekly schedule put together. The course syllabus, this is another document that is out there. We'll have the same information, how to calendar. So our weekly calendar is going to be there. How to get to the other main website, contact information for me, my email, again, the class codes to get in. We will also be using Google Classroom. Okay, so that is important for us to track. And then it kind of gives you a rundown of how grades and everything else works. Another one, how to schedule a support meeting. So all of this is here. It's in multiple spots. So we need to make sure that we have access to it. So I don't care if you want to use the website as your main access. I think it's easier. It's really good with your mobile device also. Or if you want to just use the Google Doc as your branching out point that you have. The only other thing that we could look at real quickly is, let's look at Classroom. Bear with me, I didn't put a link to that right away. So if you look at Classroom, there is a specific Google Classroom for which period you're in. So please make sure we sign up for the right one. And when you first look on Classroom, I'm not a really big fan of the streaming page. So you can ignore the streaming page and I would go to the Classwork page. The Classwork page is where everything's going to be organized by unit and topic, and it's also where I'm going to put most of your grades. So your grades are either going to go for stuff turned directly into me, is going to be through the Google Classroom and submitting it. Also we have weekly schedule and resources, and for class resources you'll find the background, keys to success are going to be in there, and the syllabus was supposed to be attached to that. I'll double check that. The only other final thing you can quickly see is the style program. And this is going to be one of our main ways that we get information. And so style put up there. We're doing physics in the universe. And so what will happen is I will be releasing your units to you, and it's going to look like this. So you're going to see one of the first ones we're going to do is Introduction to Science. and you'll complete stuff directly into this. This is a great platform. It allows me to watch what you're doing as you're doing it. We can go through questions on the way. It's fairly interactive, and it does have some kind of cute graphics in some ways, but it does lay a nice foundation, which then we'll add to with other things. So I'm looking forward to a great year. If you have any questions, this is a course that you need to ask. Please don't be in the dark for long. I'm going to break down how else we do things, but this is where you find our resources. And with that, I wish you the best of luck. I'm looking forward to working with you. Have a good day.